Hi, so we know salads are healthy, but yes, they're boring to eat sometimes. But if you make it the right way, you can eat it plain or as a side dish, it just tastes yummy. So, welcome to my channel, Spice Fiesta. If you're new here, do subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So, let's begin. So, I'm using an iceberg lettuce today. So, what we get in the market sometimes here in India, Mumbai, it's not that great. It depends from where you source it or buy it. But if you buy from the local market, yes, they come sometimes a little damaged. There can be some bruised bits on the outer portion. So just remove the outer layer, the first layer, all the exposed parts. So it's all taken out well. And iceberg lettuce has a lot of health benefits. It is low in fiber, but it's very high water content in it. And it provides calcium, potassium, vitamin C, and folate. Now, vitamin K is also there in this, which prevents osteoporosis and heart disease. And also, it's a rich source of vitamin A. And vitamin A, gives us good eyesight, vision, that is, and a healthy skin. So many benefits to include this in your salads or even sandwiches or even burgers if you are making them. So once the stalk at the bottom is cut out, here is now I'm just removing each and every layer, how much ever I can. And once they are out, you just take them in a bowl and you rinse them at least 2 to 3 times under running water. So I did just that, and now I am filling the bowl with some clean water, and now I want to disinfect it. So I'm using here just regular household things that are available to disinfect, but you get veggie wash and veggie bleach that you can use it to disinfect. So I put it now 2 caps full of white vinegar, which is available in most households. And to that, just the desi technique that I follow is using turmeric. Which I know is antiseptic and it has so many properties to kill those creepy crawlies. So there are many other ways like baking soda and salt, so many things that you can research and do that. So just we want to ensure that the veggies that go into us are thoroughly cleaned, and this is why we do this. Now once this is in, we just soak it for around 15 to 20 minutes, drain the water out completely, and then I'm putting your purified water, that is clean drinking water, and just you need to rinse it out well. So you can do this at least 2 times. And once it is now well rinsed, the iceberg lettuce is ready to be used for the salad. Acha, so now the next step is for a salad, we have to chop it now. Whenever we think of salads, yes, we think that there is so much of chopping work, but don't worry, you're all doing it for good health at the end of the day. So yes, so cut this pieces now into bite size so that you don't feel that you're eating, ghas poos as we call it, and you don't feel that you're animal eating only leaves. So cut them into nice pieces, and now we're going to put in the other veggies like the tomato, which is again bite-sized pieces, thinly cut, and this is the cucumber now. And then we put in the carrot, which is again chopped very nicely. And then to jazz it up, I am using strawberries over here because they are in season and they add to that good freshness. So now let's make the salad dressing. So I'm using a 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then to that put in some 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then to that another antioxidant like garlic, season it with some salt, pepper, and to balance it out just a hint of sugar. And we're going to all mix it up well till the sugar is well dissolved. Okay, so we have reached the final now, and if you have seen the video till here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Don't feel shy, guys, it is free. Okay, so once the dressing goes in, we're just gonna toss it together, and the salad is almost complete. So you can increase the salt, pepper according to your taste, and you can eat it as a whole or as a side with some meat dish or even a vegetarian dish. So enjoy, guys, and do check out my other videos till we meet again. Bye.